Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a Mazda, any Mazda guys, let's say Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, CX3, CX5, CX7 guys, CX9, and you're trying to test fuel injector, let's say the car is maybe misfiring some, and you're wondering, okay, if the fuel injector is dirty, if the fuel injector is performing good, we'll show you guys how to manually turn them on and off, okay, with the help of this computer, without disconnecting anything else, and that way you know if all the injectors are performing as they should. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So fuel injectors are super hard to reach on that car, so you cannot manually disconnect them, especially the high pressure fuel injectors guys. You have to remove the intake manifold to get to the injector, so practically it's impossible just to pull the connector on those. And I'll show you guys what we'll be using. This is the computer that we'll be using. It will be listed in the description of the video below. Check it out guys. This is like a dealer level equipment, not just for Mazda, for every car. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start the car now, okay, and I'll let it idle. Okay, we'll let it idle. Now this is guys the computer. Okay, I'm going to wake it up. And we're going to select now, okay, right here, VIN number. Okay, let me show you quick guys. That computer works on so many cars. And you can read the lead codes from every computer, you can program computers, you can do active tests, so it's amazing guys. Okay, the link will be in the description of the video below. We'll select auto detect. Okay, and it's going to take just a little bit of time to read the VIN number. Now it's going to decode everything. There was what model and what year Mazda we have. And after that, okay, we need to select, we don't know if we have that option. It's not equipped with keyless entry. And next step guys, okay, will be, it will give you a few different options here, and you can even check your voltage, 13.7 volts now. So the car is charging good, that's excellent. I turned the AC off now, so the voltage may even go a little bit higher in a little bit. Okay, we'll go to diagnostics. We'll select control unit, and under control unit it will give us all the different computers in the car that you have. Now we'll select PCM, this is the powertrain control module, this is for your engine. And we'll select active test. Under active test now guys, okay, it's going to load and it will give us a few things that we can test on that vehicle. Okay, and you can see how our voltage went up a little bit, 13.8, because actually we turned the AC off, so that's why it's going up. Now watch now, this is a 4-cylinder engine, so we have 4 fuel injectors and we can test each one of them. So what we're going to do, you select injector, let's say injector 1, and now you can manually, okay, start engine and allow to idle. You can manually turn them on and off. So now it's on, okay, and I'll turn it off now. Okay, the car starts vibrating, okay, and check it out, the RPMs drop. Okay, I turn it on. Okay, I turn it off now. So you can definitely guys feel, okay, feel some difference. I'm going to go in the back. Usually on the exhaust you can hear quite a bit of a difference guys. Okay, I'm going to activate it now. Look at the exhaust. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. Nice running, I'm turning it off now. So, that's injector number 1. We're going to select now injector number 2. Okay, and we'll notice if we have the same difference. Now, if one of them feels like the difference is minimal, most likely it's a dirty injector guys. Okay, I'm going to turn this one off in just a second. Listen now. on, off. So you can definitely check that. You do that for all injectors, guys, and once you reach injector that doesn't change much, most likely it's a dirty injector, because the computer will not detect the code, but the injector will not be spraying right. So you can see injector number 3, everything's good, guys, with ours. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.